Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the XTrend Speed Trading application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And now just tap on the search button to type in XTrend to begin your search. Once you find the XTrend Speed Trading app, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the XTrend application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and you can tap on the open button to open up the app. You will now be taken into the sign up page where you can use your email address, your phone number, as well as your Google, your Facebook, or your Apple ID to create your new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the XTrend Speed Trading app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.